We guide you through how to add keybind in Discord so you can perform actions faster with just one press. First thing you need to do is to open Discord on your computer and click user settings icon beside your username. Scroll down to the keybind section and click add a keybind. From here, choose the action you want like push to talk, toggle mute, toggle defend, or opening an overlay. After selecting the action, click the field that says Record Keybind and press the K or K combination you want to assign. Discord will instantly save it. Make sure your chosen K doesn't interfere with your games or other apps, especially if you are using push to talk. You can add multiple keybinds if you want different controls for streaming, chatting, or voice channels. Once you're done, test the keybind in a voice call or game to make sure it works properly. This simple setup makes switching controls faster, easier, and a lot more convenient while using Discord.